Risk of chemical splashes in the manufacture of soft drinks. Chemicals are part of our daily lives. They are also used in many industries, such as the food industry. In this sector, they are indispensable. They are mainly used in the manufacture and processing of food and raw materials, as well as in the cleaning and disinfection of the facilities. Given the global importance of this sector, particularly in terms of employment, it is important to address the issue of chemical risk to ensure that accidents are avoided as much as possible. Hello! We're going to talk about the risk of chemical splashes in the food industry and more precisely for the manufacture of non-alcoholic beverages. In this video, we will present the different products that are mainly used throughout the different stages of production: bottling, preservation, or during the construction, cleaning, or maintenance of the installations. These products can be dangerous. People handling them should take precautions to avoid direct contact and ensure that they are handled and stored correctly. The purpose of this video is to make industry players aware of the chemical risk involved and to propose solutions for reducing the frequency and severity of accidents. Water is used as the main raw material in the manufacture of beverages. It is also used as a cleaning agent for bottles and installations. The first step in production is therefore the treatment and purification of water. Impurities that can affect the taste of water and quality of the water can be removed by a number of chemicals. The most commonly used are chlorine and hypochlorite salts in solution. The production of our drink has started. We will now mix the different ingredients and, in case of carbonated drinks, add carbon dioxide to get the fizzy aspect. Once the drink is finished, it is bottled. Firstly, the containers must be disinfected for this. A variety of corrosive and irritating chemicals are used, such as a mixture of water with caustic soda or sodium hypochlorite. A second rinsing of containers is often conducted using, for example, boracic acid. Ammonia can also be used in bottling, and this time as a coolant. It is a corrosive product. Accidental release of ammonia can cause chemical damage if it comes into contact with skin, eyes, or respiratory tracts. In addition to chemical damage, a large ammonia leak can cause a violent explosion and thus thermal burns. In addition to the manufacture of products themselves, chemicals are used in the construction of equipment and in its maintenance. For example, the pipes in the installations are usually made of stainless steel. Passivation paste are used after welding the pipes. These pastes are used to perfect the weld and thus increase the strength of the weld. They often consist of hydrofluoric acid mixed with nitric acid. In case of contact, the operator may develop a lesion, and depending on the concentration of the product and the size of the affected body surface, this can lead to heart rhythm disorders or even cardiac arrest. The cleaning of the facilities and production areas is crucial to avoid contamination. For residues of sugar, lime scale, or other substances, basic chemicals such as caustic soda or acidic chemicals such as nitric acid are used. Some of these products are delivered directly to the production lines through fixed pipes. In this case, the only risk to the operator is during storage, in case of spillage of these products. In small plants, chemicals can sometimes be hand applied during cleaning. The risk of splashing is then higher. Finally, during maintenance operations, some chemicals residues may still be present in pipes, tanks, or valves. Working on such contaminated equipment is therefore a risk, for example, when opening a valve. Even though there is a very high level of automation in manufacture of soft drinks, it is important that operators are trained in occupational risks. They should be trained in storage, handling, disposal of chemicals, and wearing personal protective equipment. This training should also cover the steps to be taken in case of chemical accidents, knowing what are the decontamination solutions available in their workplace and where they are located. Anyone in charge of safety must ensure that first aid equipment, such as eye wash stations or showers, are checked and renewed regularly. This equipment should be installed where hazardous chemicals are stored or handled. If, despite all these precautions, an accident with a chemical product occurs, there are two main problems: contamination of the worker environment and of the person. In both cases, it is necessary to be prepared and to have products available that are adjusted to the risk. For the decontamination of equipment, Prevor laboratories have developed the Environment Range, a range of products that allow you to restore your work areas and equipment following a spill or even a leak of chemical product. For the decontamination of people, it is recommended to use a multi-purpose decontamination solution that washes the surface and stops the aggressiveness of all chemical products such as diphentrine solution or hexafluorine solution for the particular case of hydrofluoric acid.
Prevor is a company of researchers who want to bring solutions to their customers For that, we provide you with an offer which includes three aspects: a range of first aid solutions in case of an accidental eye or skin contact with a chemical product, a range of products that allows you to restore your work areas and equipment following a chemical spill or leak, and finally, we offer you a range of tools to inform, train and advise you on chemical risk prevention. Our mission? To be your partner on the broad topic of chemical risk prevention.